In Promio.connect listings, you can determine the number of columns and filter the list entries according to characteristics. Here is an example of the reporting area. To show or hide columns, click on the icon with the 3 bars above the list. Here you have the option to show or hide all available columns as well as to make a specific selection of columns. By activating the switches, you can select or deselect columns. One column must be specified so that a list always has at least one column. This is then the minimum version of the list. To filter the list for specific entries, click on the lens icon above the list. Here, you can either filter entries by entering them directly or expand specific search options for the columns in the list using the arrow. Here is an example of an exact search for a send date. Activate the exact search using the button and select the desired date. If necessary, search criteria can also be set in combination. To do this, simply select another search field from the drop-down menu and enter the desired value. To reset the search results, click once on the X. You will then see the list entries unfiltered again. To the left of the entry, you will find a search history, which you can use to quickly call up search patterns you have used.